Welcome to today's video on transforming your skin with a powerful 3-step routine. Are you ready to see a remarkable change in your skin health? Let's get started. Step 1. Skin cleansing. Begin your transformational journey by cleansing your skin with a low-dose 1% glycolic acid all-skin tone safe cleanser, like Clear Day by Clinical Botanic. This gentle cleanser will help to exfoliate your skin without stripping it of its natural oils and prepare your skin for the next important step. Step 2. Serum application. Once your face is moist from cleansing, apply 2 to 3 drops of our deeply penetrating serum. Our Facial Illuminate Serum contains hyaluronic acid, green tea, licorice, and a blemish-banishing vitamin C ester to nourish and revitalize your skin. Gently massage the serum into your skin until fully absorbed. Step 3. Lock in the goodness. To seal in the benefits of the serum, choose the perfect moisturizer for your skin type. For oily to combination skin, try Zen Zone with advanced niacinamide. If you want to target fine lines, uneven skin tone or roughness, large pores, opt for DNA Biofix age repair with growth factors. For intense brightening and skin protection, go for C-Lightful Day Soufflé that contains a potent blend of 3 stable vitamin C's and fluoretin, a potent antioxidant. This 3-step power routine will transform your skin health right before your eyes. Let our focused formulations infuse your life with radiant confidence. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more skincare tips and tricks. Remember, your skin health matters. Investing in your health is a sign of how much you appreciate this life.